Peace. What's going on, y'all? It's Marvelous Beats here. I honestly don't know if I'm even gonna post this video, so this is gonna be real raw. I'm not gonna go into too much detail, but pretty much, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a box opening of the Bose S1 Pro. It's a new speaker I'm thinking about upgrading to from the old faithful Monster Rockin Roller 3. And I'll probably talk a little bit about what the differences and similarities are and all that. But I'm gonna get right into it real quick. So we're gonna open this box. Okay. Okay, so right off rip, power cable. It's one of those common ones, so that's good. I actually like that. It's actually the same exact one as the Rockin Roller 3, so that's dope to see right off top. Alright, here by the violin. Alright. What's going on here now? Let's take that off. Alright. Oh, there we go. Perfect. There's a handle. Alright. Anything else in here? Okay. Alright, bet. Got the S1 Pro manual. It's good to know. So let's just get right into it. Off rip though, I know this speaker already does not have USB ports like the Rockin Roller has. And that's key for me because I have an effect pedal. My effect pedal has a USB to, I like the old school USB. It's like the thicker one. I think it's a mini USB mini cable. So I use this whole speaker itself to power the effect board, and then also play the music through it. So this whole, what I'm saying, that's a joint. But I want something a little more hi-fi now as far as sound quality. Maybe something a little more powerful too. And usually you can't go wrong with Bose. I've never had an issue with their products quality wise. I'll say that. So what I like about this S1 Pro already is that it's different. It's angles, so you can kind of pretty much set it up any way you want. As a monitor on the floor, and you can also put it on a stand too if you want. Yeah, got a stand compartment under there, so that's dope. Oh, yeah, right there, perfect. So on the back, hold up. So I got 2 channels, which is perfect. One for my violin. I'll probably just go, where it's at. It's a Bluetooth. There's a Bluetooth button right here. So I'm probably gonna start doing Bluetooth for my iPod back tracks. That'd be dope. It's cool as a line out too if I wanted to connect another speaker. Got an aux, which is perfect. And it was already like too. You have treble, bass, and reverb for each channel. On the Rockin Roller that I've been using, once you go into the bass and treble, it affects the whole sound. So you're gonna change the bass and treble on the instrument, on the microphone, on the track itself too, all at once. So you can't get the sound exactly you want to get. But with this is really cool because now I can affect the bass and treble of the instrument and the mic. Or if I can even if I really want to do it, I'll just put my iPod into one of the channels here, and then do something cool with the backing track, put a little reverb to it, mess with the bass and treble. Cause if I just go into the Bluetooth, then I have to mess with the settings on the actual phone, actual iPhone, instead of right here. So it's gonna be interesting. I gotta do a sound test. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my violin. Just go straight in and see what's up. Well, let me pause this real quick. Okay, so yeah, I noticed a couple things. This is the power switch right here. You got the off, on, and then you got the setting for that's flat, and you got the setting for the battery. So that's cool. Also, the channels, they have the volume. The volume knobs are on the side right there. And it actually has a signal indicator too. I'm guessing to let you know if you're peaking or not. So that's pretty cool. So that's not on the Rockin Roller. So that's gonna be an extra tool that I'll definitely use. Of course, it's not charged, so we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. Hold on. Alright, so this sounds good. I had the violin in there, it's pretty dope. The reverb sounds great. The Bluetooth sounds crisp, which is dope. But I'm a little upset with Bose because their instruction manual is basically 1 page long. While it has some good information on it, for example, like the you should call it the thickness of the stand, what it should be, which is 35 millimeters. Also tells you that the stand should be able to withstand 15 pounds. So that's good information, but I don't know how you do not include how long you're supposed to charge, the speaker. I think they should put that in there for sure. I mean, there is like another little pamphlet here, but it doesn't really have anything in it. This is like questions. Go to our website. You know what I mean? Inside this, it's a pretty simple, get up and play kind of thing. Plug it in. Get your mic in there, instrument. You even got that little tone match function, which is cool, and the Bluetooth thing. But it should tell you like, hey, maybe charge your speaker for X amount of hours before you use it. So I'm guessing this is even like this blue light here, like it would be nice if they say inside the manual, like, oh, if it's blinking, that means it's still charging. I'm assuming it becomes like a solid blue color or green colors. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's a little annoying, but it's all good. Other than that, it sounds amazing. I really like that this thing really has multiple positions. Like, you can kind of stand it up like that too while you're playing. And, you got the whole monitor style, where it's on the side like this. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty cool. I'd probably be mostly rocking with it in this position for real, so I can quickly just boom, get down here, mess with my volume and keep playing. Yeah. So I don't really need my effect pedal per se, because for 99% of gigs that I do, all I only really need is the reverb on that pedal. So this already has reverb already built in, so this is cool. It's just literally my violin now and the speaker without the effect pedal, so that makes me a little more mobile. Of course, I'm gonna miss the fact that this rolls. This has a whole handle and rolls, but this doesn't. I mean, it has a handle. It's not it's not super heavy. Like, it's not the end of the world, but them gigs at the country club or whatever, where you gotta walk all the way down the path. That's when I'd be tight. I'd be like, dang, I wish this drink had wheels. So I know Bose got a carrying case or whatever. It's like a nice 15-pound. Yeah, for sure, like a 15-pound dumbbell. I think, you know what? Yeah, the Rockin Roller is definitely heavier. Get a feel for that again. Yeah, this was like 20. For real, it's like 20. So it's lighter. That's what's up. But yeah, I just want to figure out what's up with how long I'm supposed to charge it. Next thing I don't understand is, I'm hoping this is on the right function. This looked like charge the battery. I mean, I tried to play with it on this setting, this flat setting, but nothing came out, of course. So then I went to the on setting. That's when it woke up and it was on wirelessly without the wire connected. So That's a big key about that too. Yeah, man. I guess soon I'm gonna go ahead and just play this thing out loud in a live video. It was just compare it then. So yeah, just quick little comparison contrast between the Rockin Roller 3 by Monster and the S1 Pro by Bose. All right, peace.